Oh, hello there. You guys want to learn how to kickflip? Since Larry's too busy to visit the fans, I guess I'll teach ya. Papa, well, if I can do it with this ridiculously hot topic alien-looking mask in public, I'm pretty sure you guys can do it too. I mean, look at this thing. Can you tell I'm looking at you guys right now? Like, 'cause I don't have any friends. Maybe if you try like 10,000 times, you might just accidentally land one with one foot and sprain your other ankle, or I am no help. Yo, we're not even supposed to be trespassing here. But the people have spoken, so you guys want to learn how to kickflip, I'm gonna get you that. Even if it does mean I get arrested. I got it. I'll put my shoes on my hands, and then that should show you what you're supposed to be doing with your feet. I mean, it's a great idea. Yeah. This is ridiculousness. See what I did there? So when you're doing a kickflip, just do the same steps as you do as an ollie, but this time you're gonna be flicking the board. So line up your back toe with your tail, nice and even, and then give it that
kick right to the jaw.
Give it that pop. And then, with your front foot, you're gonna want to slide off the board from about the middle to the nose. If that makes any sense. So let's do this in first person. You want to line up your back foot with your tail, and then pop. Don't forget to jump. And with the front foot, all you need to do is slide, baby. Oh yeah. I shouldn't have said that. It's a child's audience. Dang it, Deadpool. When you're in the air and the board is flipping, just make sure to bend your legs as best you can and aim for the landing. So are you ready, kids?
Aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, Captain!
No, I really can't hear you. I think I'm having a heat stroke. So watch and learn one more time from a pro. And I'm talking about myself in case you didn't know that. So here's the kickflip. Line your back foot up with your tail and pop. Jump while sliding your foot off the board. And bend your knees and aim for that landing. So here it is again. Pop. Flick. Knees. Land. Repeat after me. Pop. Jump. Slide your foot off the board. What? Dang it, Deadpool. Oh yeah, let the board flip, bend your knees, aim for that landing, and Deadpool is better than Spider-Man. Well, actually, if you take into consideration of how much Spider-Man Homecoming made compared to Deadpool 2, you would clearly see that
All my friends are dead. All my friends are dead.